In this video, we'll be going over how to fix clear coat failure and fade for just a few dollars, super quickly and super easily. Now, quick disclaimer before we get started, this is meant for a cheaper vehicle and a rougher fix. This is not a professional, high quality job. However, if you have an old beater farm truck just like this and want to make it look just a little bit better on a super low budget, then this is a very viable option. I wouldn't do it on a crazy supercar. I wouldn't do it on anything nice. However, I would certainly do it on a truck just like this to make it look even a little bit better. So zooming into the truck, you can see this is what the paint looks like right now. And maybe you can compare that to your vehicle's paint as well. It is a symptom of missing or failing clear coat, which is this product right here. So that's exactly what we'll be doing. That's exactly what we'll be spraying on the truck really quickly. So all we need for this is some gloss clear and a way to clean your vehicle. I'm using a microfiber right here. This was, I think, $4. This was $1, so a $5 fix. I'm not gonna use all of this, and I'm not gonna use this fully either, so essentially it's like a $1 fix to make this thing look marginally better. And again, this is not a professional perfect fix, but it is going to look much better than what it does right now. Enough of me yapping, let's get on to how to do this. So the first thing we need to do is identify the area that we'll be painting and ensure that it's clean. I don't care if this is a perfect, beautiful fix because it is a really ruffled truck. So I'm just gonna wipe it down really quickly. You can see we got a little bit of dirt off of the truck. We're gonna wipe it down and clean it up because this stuff, when sprayed, when applied, is going to seal in anything that's on the paint right now. So if there is any dust, if there's any dirt or contaminants, it's going to lock it in and seal it in. And that's why I said it's not a professional perfect fix. Now the next thing that you can and probably should do, which is recommended but not required, is to mask off anything that you don't want to spray, anything that you don't want to hit with this clear coat, because again, it's going to lock anything down and you may get overspray on the other panels. Now the perk about this, as opposed to any sort of colored paint, is that this is clear, so it will go on and apply and be clear to any other surface that it gets on. So if you overspray on the window or the windshield, yes, you can see it, but it's not like getting black overspray or white overspray or teal green overspray on a different colored part. It's just going to amplify and clear coat whatever it's on. So for this truck, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna skip it because I'm a lazy bum. But I would recommend that you do it. Make sure that you spray close, shake up the can of, again, gloss clear coat, just like this. Once your area is cleaned, take a second to do a really quick test spray and then go at it. So as you can see there, it is much better, not quite perfect, but a whole heck of a lot better than it was before. And again, I just have to stress this one more time. This is not a professional solution. This is not a perfect solution, but if you have an old beater vehicle, I think this sure looks a heck of a lot better than it formerly did. So just to reiterate, we'll do the same thing on this panel. Get rid of whatever dirt, wipe it down, make it nice and clean. Again, it's not perfect. You could wash the truck or your vehicle and get it completely spotless and flawless before you paint. You could paint inside of a paint booth where no contaminants from the outside world are going to get in here. But a lot of us don't have that luxury. And again, we're working on a cheap vehicle, so we're just gonna clean it like that. Spray it. Nice light coats. and get it to look just a little bit better.